was that I wanted to design a building where, in a sense, it creates that sense of community and that brings people together. And so I wanted it so that when you're in the building, you know everyone. You pass by, like, okay, so how I designed it was that this whole section here is the private spaces, so that would be the youth residents, the manager residents, and the visiting artists. And it revolves around the art workshop and the art gallery. So I wanted to use the art gallery as that connecting place where everyone is able to meet. And so the art gallery is actually transparent, so from the outside you could see what's going on, and from the inside you could also see what's going on. So there's these hallways that lead up to the private residences up on the 3rd and 4th floor. So as you work your way down, you get to connect within each space. So as you work your way down, you work your way down to the youth residents, to the visiting artists, and down to the manager, and then you get to the art gallery, and then the workshop is right here, and then the urban theater is actually an underground theater, because I wanted to use it so that it creates less noise. It imposes all that noise that happens within it. So yeah, I just wanted to create that sense of community, bring people together within the space, within the building.